Sky Villa Serviced Residences is located in the core area of Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and is positioned as a high-end boutique residential project. With its prime location, scarce large-sized units, and comprehensive amenities, Sky Villa has become one of the most representative luxury residential developments in Phnom Penh. The project adopts the full range of TNA TX7 series fire alarm systems. With advanced configuration and mature technology, the system significantly enhances the overall safety protection of the building. The TX7100 smoke detector features high-sensitivity smoke detection, enabling early warning by quickly identifying smoke at the initial stage of a fire. The TX7110 heat detector monitors ambient temperature in real time and triggers alarms when abnormal temperature rises occur, making it suitable for environments where smoke may not be obvious. The TX7120 multi-sensor detector combines smoke and heat detection, allowing comprehensive analysis of different fire characteristics, improving detection accuracy and reducing false alarms. In addition, the system is equipped with the TX7300 sounder strobe, which emits high-decibel sound and strong flashing light during a fire to promptly alert occupants and facilitate orderly evacuation. The TX7140 manual call point provides a convenient means for occupants to actively trigger an alarm upon discovering a fire. The entire system features strong integration capability and stability, working in coordination with other fire protection systems to provide efficient and reliable safety assurance for the project. TNA safeguards high-end residential living with advanced and reliable fire alarm systems, delivering precise detection and rapid response to ensure a safe and secure living environment.